Why is the graphics so low? I have no idea. Oh, okay. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Honky Monster back on my channel, and we're back on Demolition Derby 3. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Oh. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Honky Monster back on my channel, and we are back on Demolition Derby 3. Yep. And today, we're gonna take the Ferrari at the drive. I already did the Ford GT. Where is it? There it is. See? Wait, what? Why is it with digits? That makes no sense. Oh well. Yeah. Okay, so, you know what? I'm gonna take the Ferrari out. And yeah. I'm gonna try a quick race, and which one did I haven't done? Which one did I haven't done? So let's... I'll do like, you know, maybe I'll do like 3 laps. Yeah, 3 laps. I'll just try, which one did I haven't done? I have never done a Kenyan rewind. I know it looks goofy, but you know what? No, screw this. I'm gonna go to the Demolition Derby first, okay? Just because I don't know. But okay. I'm gonna try maybe tires on tires? Yeah, I'll try tires on tires because I haven't done that track for a while. So let's do this. Okay. And we're going to... I really don't like this. I know you're putting me cereal so many times. I don't like this. Just get out of there and let me play with arrows. I need a better camera angle so it's better. Yes. I know it's not gonna be good for demoing, but who cares? Oh my goodness, I actually just T-boned the kibby the hell out of this. Did you know that, guys? The Garf, he was a YouTuber. And I saw this YouTube on the Garf. Garf was a YouTuber. Oh, and I just ripped Garf. Rip Garf. Man. Bam! Just smashing that tire, and my roof is crushed. Or whatever. Why do I think I have a sports car? Oh my goodness, the roof is getting crushed even more. Ow! Hey, come on! Hi, murdered Kibby! 9 cars left. Heidi's destroyed. I'm gonna take out Zoe, but Zoe's not dead yet. He is still alive. And I'm gonna take down Garth. Or not. Oh well. Ah, yeah. I took out Garth. Wow. Wow. Ah, yeah. That was so close. What am I gonna do? Aha, that gives me an idea. Okay, 3 more opponents left. I had a Stuttgart last time and I didn't go so well. Oh, Zoe is dead. Did you know I just used, Stuttgart. I used the Porsche 9. Guys, I actually did a Porsche 9. Yeah, I actually did the Porsche 917. I think it was. Yeah, the Porsche 917. And I also did the Grand Callahan Truckster on this Derby. Oh yeah, I did a Porsche 911 on the. She was a Sally. I just created her a Sally, so that's it. And I won. Yeah, she used to be a Sally. I'm sorry, Maya, I can't. Oh, the headphones? Oh. Thought it was cars. If you need them back, tell me, okay? Sorry about that, guys. My little sister is trying to get her headphones. So there she is. Okay, I'm gonna try. Sliding ice. Oh man. Sliding ice is gonna be bad. That's gonna be in nightmares. So, whatever. Maya, you were trying to get your headphones, right? Yeah. I never noticed that. Okay. I don't trust you, Lexi. Oh, that was a mistake. Oh no, that was tactical. Complete tactical. Yeah, my bumper is really busted in. I don't know why, but oh well. Whoa. I'm sorry, Ben. I didn't mean to hit you, Ben. Oh wait. Oh, we're going on the road. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah. Going fast like Lightning McQueen. You know what? I think the Venom is yeah, the Venom is better than the Ferrari. Yeah, hi. Sorry guys, if you mind it. Daddy calls to me. So, yeah. No, Ron! Ah! Man, for a second I was like, nobody's behind me. And then, in the second, Ron just came to me and then he tries to force me, but no. Ow. Get out of me, Kyle. Nobody likes... Nah, I mean, everybody likes you. Yeah. I'm sorry, Kyle. Everybody likes you. But not Lexi, okay? Not Lexi and Mel, okay? I might do a video of hating Lexi and Mel, okay? On, like, tomorrow. Or maybe, I don't know. Maybe, like, today or tomorrow. I don't know. Or the next day. I don't know. We'll see, okay? We'll see. If I made a video of hating Lexi and Mel. And I'll do another video of All You Need Is Love from Max. Yeah, Max and Hunky Monster. Because, you know why? Me and Max, we're best friends. Yep, of course. And Lexi, I just cheated on him. I cheated Lexi on him because, I don't know why. But Lexi is annoying. He always punches me when I cheated on him, Max. When I cheated on him. But Lexi, he is not my friend. I still don't like him. I still don't like Lexi. I had enough of Lexi. But I don't quit. I don't actually quit on the Max. Max is actually my favorite friend. You know what? I'm gonna go with the first person because I was like, when I'm 54, I actually drive this car. Yeah. And that was an accident. I was crashed. So here it is. I did it. Yay. It didn't give me a nightmare, so that's good news. Alright, now let's test out in free roam. Free. You know what? I'm going to buy everything on this. You know what? Maybe I'll try Downtown Del Mar. I know I've done this so many times. You know, let's try Downtown Del Mar because I know I've done it so many times, but who cares? It's worth it. I'm still gonna keep my first person view because it actually is so cool when I'm in first person view. Okay, oh, I almost got hit. Maybe hood view? No, that's even worse. Maybe, no. Yeah, I think that's better. That's better camera angle. Alright, go up to the sky! Oh, didn't go to the moon. Oh well. And right into the building. Don't fall. Don't fall. I mean, don't fall. Not don't fail. Don't fall. Alright. Whoa, everything's shaky. Wow, that was amazing. Tablets, it's okay. Don't even start on me, please. Whoa! We almost went to another building. Alright. Cut. Take 2. Okay. But first, I'm gonna check on this bowling place. Wow, that's really cool. I'm gonna get a lot of long way there. And then we will just go. Ferrari doesn't look like Lightning McQueen, but the Venom, the Viper, he is kind of looks like Lightning McQueen from Cars 3, you know? Okay. Whee! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now we're talking about, yeah. Well, not exactly, because I was upside down. You know what? I'm gonna try this jump up ahead, okay? Oh, I jumped the hotel sign. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, next jump. But first I'm gonna, oh, it's this. But first I'm gonna hit the cops. Hopefully I have to be careful. Yeah. Gotta be careful. There we go. Ah. Careful. Yeah, and there we go. Careful. Yeah, there we go. I think we're go. How many cop cars are behind me? 1, 2, 3, 4, and they still can't get me. Well, I can escape that because I don't know why. Well, first I'm gonna try this. Whee! Let me see this view. Dude, this is freaking crazy! You know what? I might keep this as a thumbnail. Like, look at that. It's ridiculous how this looks. I'm keeping this. I like this. Because of your money's games, like, why are you keeping this? Because reasons. You know what I mean? Because I like it. I like that. And let's see. If I can make this jump, I will be a legendary honky monster. And I lost the wheel. No. Okay. I thought we were gonna hit like 1,000 like buttons, but we didn't. But oh well, that's all right. We can still drive with only one wheel missing. Oh no, the cops are in me. And the car is dead. Yep, the car is completely dead. Unless Well, the good news is it's rear-wheel drive, so yeah, I think that's kind of it. Oh my goodness, I actually broke the game. Man, I don't know why I broke the game, because, you know, Beer Money Games, if you're Beer Money Games, if you see this in the video, that's kind of fun. That's Beer Money Games. If you see this video, that is actually quite funny. We're going to the beach. Man, I'm not gonna get away from the cops because I lost 2 wheels, but it's a rear wheel drive. No, that's even worse. That made it 10 times worse in the first place. Oh well, I think that's it. The car was dead, but it was still escaped, still movable. So if you guys enjoyed, let me know, and yeah, see you guys soon. This is Hunky Monster here. Peace out!